How do you feel about this out here right now?
What?
How do you how do you feel about this out here right now?
Oh, caught the only fish in the lake. Feels good.
It's a little cold out here today. Not too bad. We had quite the experience getting the boat in the water with a mean wind and the motor wasn't starting up, so we were pushing off the rocks. But I'll have to start wearing my headset and capture that more. But it's super pretty out here today. Kind of hunkering down because of the wind. Once it warms up a little bit, the wind won't be too bad, but it's like 48 right now. So pretty today though. I don't even care. I'm gonna go ahead and swap gear out. He's in. Got one on it. Couldn't catch it on camera though because he jumped off pretty quick. We're gonna go ahead and put a big spoon bill on here. Do a little bit of trolling. Just using the clips. Go. I think we're set. Getting her lined up. First pass with the trolling. Trolling the big spoon. It's just not diving down. Damn. Turn in a little bit. No luck the first pass. Switch some gear up a little bit. I'm gonna be going back the opposite direction now. Feeling good though, feeling good. Same spot. Got him right here. There. Right?
I'll get you a shot.
Awesome. Thank you. There we go. Oh, he's so beautiful. Look at it.
Good job there. Up a little bit.
Look me right there. Beauty. Super pretty. And a good release right here. How deep are they at right now? 75 feet deep right here. A little ways off all the shores.
Make sure your line doesn't get wrapped around the motor.
Reeling in like this. There he is.
Freaked out now they saw a boat.
Oh yeah, there you go. Picked himself pretty nice. Nice job, there you go. Decent sized one.
Pretty rainbow. Get that out there for you, buddy.
There we go. Not quite shoved it, but definitely set himself pretty nice. There we go. There we're at. Get a release.
Oh, fucking A. Don't do that yet.
Oh. There we go. Oh, we go.
Grab my spinner.
Up it. There we go.
Pretty fishing day.
Oh yeah, it's been a good fishing day for sure. Let's see. Ah, there he is. He's out there a little ways. He's fighting like a motherfucker though. He's strong buckfish. Not too bad, about the same size as the fish we caught today. Decently hooked up. We'll let him get a decent release on him. I love Carter Lake.
They're having a good time out there.
Right? Got one on the line going by the dock. We were over there, just traveled down around the docks, got striked. Carter Lake's awesome for trout fishing. Super great. Got some kayakers out behind me, having a great time. Just a little guy? Yeah, so we don't blow into him, yeah. There we go.
Oh, you're on. You're on. Oh, you're off.
Oh, I'm on? Oh, shit. I mean, crap.
You might just cross the line. I don't know. But I saw your pole banging.
I mean, it is an appetizing looking lure. Oh, there he is right there. Maybe he isn't so little. Nah, he's just a
tough guy.
He's just a tough one. He's a strong guy.
Oh, shit, Thanks.
Yeah, a little fun. There we go. He's like, I don't like the boat.
You're a tough trout, buddy. Oh, he's pretty gooey.
There we go. Look at that. So beautiful. Awesome. There, now we're blowing alongside the docks. It's a little windy out over here on this side of the lake. Starts moving around. There we go. Oh yeah, a bunch. Yeah. Huh? See what's happening? Yeah. Hopefully everyone's alright. I want to go hiking next.
Like somebody's up in here somewhere. Just heard some voices.
Huh. Can't really see up in there that well. Another sheriff on his way out towards the accident or whatever's going on. Perfect spot for lunch. Yeah, Long Higgler is pretty, but it's not Carter Lake or Horsetooth pretty. Austin. Further middle boat zone. Wind picking up.
Think it's fun?
There we go. Control this whole shoreline.
Yeah, bud. It's the lucky dip.
The lucky dip.
Lucky dip, bud.
There we go. We don't chew, we don't smoke, we just have sand. Yeah. It is a little ways back. Ducking, swerving up. Yeah, he's moving that line all over him. Oh, yeah! There we go. Tire himself out a little bit. And be a handful. Oh, there. Oh, he's look at that. There we go. You need the pliers?
I think